Here are my top 5 tips to setting up a DIY workshop. Step 1. Organise the tools in a way that's neat and works for you. We screwed 1-inch plywood to the walls and painted them yellow. A bright background colour helps display the tools better. DIY hooks are perfect for holding hammers. Hammered 50mm nails into the wall and they held many of our tools. Step 2. Lighting. We have 4 spotlights, 4 tube lights above the workspace and natural light coming from the windows. Step 3. It is important to have plenty of storage units. We have 8 pull-out drawers which are useful for storing small boxes of screws. We have 5 under storage units and 1 tall cupboard. Having plenty of storage is good, it keeps the place nice and tidy. Step 4. Storage units. Storage units are nice and helpful. They come with 3 different containers, 1 big, 2 small. You also get a track. You can screw it onto the wall and then hang this units up. These are good for storing your screws and bits and bobs. Step 5. Get a children's play mat and trace around the tool. Then cut it out. Then it should fit perfectly. This is a really neat way to keep things organised. That's it folks, my top 5 tips of setting up your DIY workshop.